In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save money on Progressive Insurance. The first thing you want to do is head over to Progressive and take a close look at your current policy. This is an important starting point because many people continue paying for coverage they selected years ago, even though their needs may have changed. Review your coverage limits, your deductible amounts, and any optional protections included in the policy. The goal here is to make sure you're not overpaying for coverage you no longer need, while still keeping the protection that matters most for your situation. Next, check whether bundling your insurance policies could lower your overall cost. If you have auto insurance and also need homeowners, renters, or another eligible type of coverage, combining those policies with the same company may qualify you for a multi-policy discount. Bundling is one of the easiest ways to reduce insurance costs, so it's definitely worth reviewing if you currently have policies spread across different providers. You'll also want to take advantage of any discounts that may be available. This can include discounts for safe driving, insuring multiple vehicles, signing up for paperless billing, setting up automatic payments, being a homeowner, being a student, or paying your premium in full instead of in installments. Even small discounts can add up over time, so make sure your account reflects every discount you may qualify for. Another option to consider is increasing your deductible. In many cases, choosing a higher deductible will lower your monthly or overall premium. However, this only makes sense if you could comfortably pay that higher out-of-pocket amount if you ever needed to file a claim. It's a trade-off, so be practical and choose a deductible that fits your budget. You may also want to enroll in Progressive Snapshot. This is a usage-based program that looks at driving habits, and safer driving behavior may help you earn a lower premium. If you're a cautious driver and feel confident about your habits behind the wheel, this can be a useful way to potentially save more. Of course, one of the best long-term ways to keep insurance costs down is to maintain a clean driving record. Avoiding accidents and traffic violations can make a real difference in what you pay over time, since insurers often reward lower-risk drivers with better rates. Finally, make it a habit to review your policy